6-bed, 2-bath, 1,735 square feet, 7,405 square foot lot, 910 East Avon Lane, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68505. Welcome to this charming brick home featuring 6 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, thoughtfully divided between 3 bedrooms on the main floor and 3 bedrooms in the basement. The hardwood floors on the main level add warmth and character, while the home's layout offers both comfort and versatility. Currently rented, this property is already generating income, making it a great investment opportunity. Alternatively, you can enjoy the best of both worlds by living on the main floor and renting out the basement to offset expenses. The home also boasts a large backyard, perfect for outdoor gatherings, gardening, or simply relaxing. Located in a prime area close to schools, parks, and shopping centers, it offers convenience and accessibility for families and tenants alike. Whether you're looking to invest, expand your living space, or find a home that does it all, this property is a must-see. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.